learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Hakka Training on ICRT. This whole month, we're taking you to Taidong County, but today, in particular, we're going to a town known as Guanshan. You can actually take the train directly to there, and Leo is going to take us on a one-day tour. 今天呢，要带大家到台东县的关山哦，直接坐火车就有关山站下车。今天需要 Leo 来带我们关山一日游。Hey Leo， 我们今天来到这个公园叫什么？关山清水公园呢？
对啊，这是台湾第一座环保公园哦，
看得出来。
待会我们就从这边出发，骑吃行茶。
吃行茶？
对，
就是自行车。
对，我们骑着自行车就可以去很多地方。
好啊，那先去哪里呢？
我们来去银行好了。
银行啊，
但这间银行
对，需要花钱，
平常看不到。
我请客，我来领钱。
不是，这是叫做萝卜银行。
我去领萝卜，然后可以用萝卜来付钱吗？是这个意思吗？
其实不是啦，是这边种了很多萝卜，然后呢，我们会做肉胚干，
不只是萝卜干，是老的萝卜干的。
对，
这是客家美食里面一个很重要的一个材料啊，对不对？
对啊，而且这个老萝卜干是放久了，它就会变成五金，所以呢，就是一个黑金啊，
越放越陈年，越
陈越香。
对，好，那除了这之外，还有什么可以去？
早期客家先民会有那个像潘照啊，就是请客的时候会有那个港桌灯扛桌椅。
是办婚礼的时候那种桌椅吗？
对啊，
就是
请客的时候嘛，
请客
那时会请一个中破塞啊过来，对，但是那时候没有那么多的车载那个桌子椅子啊，所以就每一家每一户把家里的桌子椅子扛出来，大家一起吃饭。
这样好有趣啊！关山一日游听起来太丰富了，太棒了。走，我们骑脚踏车绕吧。
好。
Taidong's Guanshan district is a fascinating Hakka community that's home to Taiwan's first protected land, called Guanshan Qingshui Environmental Park. And in the Xingpu community, they've mastered the art of preserving radishes, which becomes more precious as they ripen with age. This area has also revived an old Hakka tradition where during huge feasts, each household would put their table and chairs outside for everyone to use. Then there's Tianho Temple, the largest in Guanshan, which doubles as a community center and is ringed by alleys full of incredible traditional Hakka snacks.
All right, let's teach you some of these phrases in Hakka, such as a park, 公园
公演
and finally, a Hakka tradition, which means table carry, 也就是扛桌凳。
扛桌凳。
对，扛桌凳。And that does it for today's Hakka training.
什么太假？
按子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.